Have you ever been at a fun party but your friends only want to talk about their jobs? It can be very tiring when you want to relax, but work talk never stops. This is exactly what it means to talk shop. My friend Leo once heard the phrase and got very confused. He thought it meant bringing a literal shop to dinner. He tried to sell apples to his guests while they were eating soup. Everyone laughed because that is not what it means. To talk shop means to discuss your work or business when you are supposed to be relaxing with friends or family. Long ago, tradespeople would go to a shop to work. When they couldn't stop talking about it later, people said they were talking shop. Now, let's see it used correctly. Last week, Sarah and her coworkers went out for pizza. Sarah said, "Let's not talk shop tonight." They put their phones away and talked about their favorite movies instead. They enjoyed their meal without any work stress. Example 1, even at the beach, the lawyers started to talk shop. This means they were talking about law cases on the sand. Example 2, please, can we stop talking shop? It is the weekend. This is a polite way to ask someone to change the subject. To remember this, imagine a shop with a big closed sign. When you are with friends, your workshop is closed. Fun fact, this idiom shows how much we value work-life balance. In many cultures, talking about work at dinner is seen as rude. You will hear this phrase in many old movies and books. It has been a common complaint for over 100 years. Similar phrases include talking business or bringing work home. They all mean you are thinking about your job too much. Opposites are letting your hair down or switching off. These mean you are finally relaxing and forgetting about work. Related idioms like all work and no play remind us that we need fun in our lives to stay happy and healthy. A common mistake is adding the word the. We never say talking the shop. It is always just talk shop. Also, don't use this during a meeting. It would be strange to ask people to stop talking shop while you are actually working. Time for a quick quiz. What does it mean to talk shop? Is it A, B, or C? Think about it for a second. The correct answer is B. It means discussing work in a social situation. Great job if you got it right. To recap, talk shop is a great idiom to use when you want to remind others to relax and enjoy the moment. Learning idioms like this makes your English sound more natural and helps you connect better with native speakers. Have you ever been stuck talking shop? Share your stories in the comments. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.